I'm going to take you through the chords a little bit here. So we're going to have F twice, D minor twice, and then this G minor 7 is all of these threes, and then a C7. Okay, so that was F, D minor, 0, 2, 3, 1, all the threes, and then a C7, which is 2, 3, 1, 3. Could also be 2, 3, 1, open. Up to you if you want to put that pinky in there. Okay, so 3, 4, F, D minor, G minor 7, C7, F, D minor, G minor 7, C7 again. Now we're going to go F, D minor, G minor 7, C7 again. And then we have a little turnaround for the first time. We're going to go F, D minor, and then we have this new chord, 3, 3, 2, 3 to C7. So that was your first ending. And then we go back through all those chords again. So it just repeats that same progression. Now the second ending is going to go. Okay, so we've got that second ending, F, B flat minor, C7, and then we're going to go F twice, and then we're going to go C7 to F7. So that's 1, 2, 1, 1. So C7, F7. And then we've got B flat major, these threes up here. C7, F. And then we have some new chords. So we have F for 4. Now we have a new one. So we got open 2, open 1, B minor 7, flat 5, they're calling this. And then we have an E7, open 1, open, open. And then we have A minor. We'll do that for 4. So we're going to do 2 of these. And then A minor. Now we have a D minor 7 flat 5 open with 1s to a G7 open with 1 C. This is a C6 2, 2, 1, 3 D minor G7 C C7. Okay, then we're back to the other progression pretty much. So this new stuff again was the second ending was F, B flat minor to C7, F, and then we have C7 to F7, and then the bridge is the B flat, C7, and then 4 Fs, and then the 0201, 0100, A minor for 4, then open with 1s, then opens with 1, and then C, C6, D minor, G7, C, C7. Now we have F, just like the beginning of the song, D minor, G minor 7, C7. Do that again. Now this time, at last. Okay, so it's 2 Fs, and then 3, 3, 2, 3, once to C7 to F. Okay, so that's all the chords. So now I'm going to do the melody into the chords. So we got. Okay, so that's how it's going to get going. We've got 1 on the second string. At last. We'll just do our chords here. Now we're going to do the 3s one time. We're going to go 3 to 4 down here, and then part of a C7, 2, 3, 1. And that was 3, 1 to 3 over here. And then we're just kind of strumming F to D minor again. Now this time, so we had 3s, and then 3, 4 in the second string, and then the 2 and 3 from a C7, 1 on the second string to 3 over here, top of the F, top of the D minor, 3s, 2, 3, 1 at the same time. So we had 2 to 1, 2, 3, 1 chord, 3, 2, 0, and then just the same chords we had for the ending. Okay, and we're back into that same thing, so we'll go over it again. We got at last. And then the second string, 3 to 4. Now we'll do the second ending this time. We're going to go to the B flat minor, C7, and then we're going to go F, and then we got a little contrary motion there. We're going to have the F once, and then the big 3 to the 2 with open, to the 1 with 2. So it's top 3 3s. So that was 3s to 1 on the second string, top 2 2s, open G. It's like a 3 and a 2 from an F. Hit the 2 again, and then the chord in there to take time, and then 2 to open 1 on the second string. And this is O2, open, open. And that was O1 1 to open second string. So that was 3 times on kind of an A minor. 1 3 on the second, open here, and then open 1 1 3. To the 1, opens to the 3. C with the extra 0 there. 2 2 1 3. Little 1 there. So we had O2 3, another 3 on the second, O0 3, little open, a couple C's, C7, F, D minor. So this is our beginning part again. We'll go over that middle. And then at the end we got, so it's 3s, 1 5 1 5, C7 to that 1, then F, and 3 3 2 3, C7 F. Okay, so that middle part again was 3 2 and open, 1 and 2. So those are kind of quick. Again. At last. All right, check out Etta James's version. Got a tab with this. Talk to y'all soon. Thanks a lot.